bitterly cold. You don't want to be out in that at all.
Shoppers around the metro checking off their grocery list right now before those dangerous temperatures move through.
Grocery stores plenty busy with both winter weather on the way and, of course, Christmas on Sunday.
It's the perfect storm. Fox 4's Kelly Peltier is live at the Hen House in Fairway.
John, Christelle, yeah, that's right. You can see there's a few shoppers here in the Hen House in Fairway getting their last minute items here before Christmas this weekend. People tell me they don't have any plans to get outside on Thursday or Friday if they don't have to, but they're picking up lots of snacks for, a couple of snow days inside if they have to, getting all those last minute ingredients for their holiday meals now rather than during that storm. Winter weather is on the way, making grocery stores even busier before the Christmas holiday.
Let's just not go outside.
In a parking lot, I had to park all the way to the back today.
Trisha Wood says she has no plans to get out in the brutal cold, so she's stocking up on all the basics her family will need for a few days at home.
Bread and milk and cereal, things for the next few days.
Nolan Allen has to go into work on Thursday, but he's got a plan to keep warm.
Gonna put on some long johns, put on some Carhartt pants, the whole thing.
And if they aren't shopping for a couple of snow days, they were loading up their carts with all the holiday meal classics.
We're going to have ham. My wife makes this fabulous macaroni salad. And then we're going to get some Jack Stack baked beans and Jell-O molds and dinner rolls.
Lots of good items there. Well, Hen House locations will be open until 6 p.m. on Christmas Eve and then closed on Christmas Day. Christelle.